Hey folks, Todd Tramonte here with Market Experts Realty, the Todd Tramonte Home Selling Team, and Real Estate Growth Systems with another real estate agent Q&A video for you. We do these about once a week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out all the other videos we've done and will do in the future. And absolutely feel free to drop a question in the comment and we might shoot a video on that one for you. This week's question is, it's a pretty common question that we get, but I would say it's really uncommon in the world of real estate. The question is, why do you do your appointments in the office, right? So I find that newer agents or solo agents that don't want to spend money on office space tend to rationalize doing appointments for listings at the client's house or not doing appointments for buyers at all. I don't love the word appointment. We call it an initial consultation in our office. So an initial consultation means sitting down and getting to know someone, asking great questions and understanding their needs so you can go and really provide value on that. So the quick answer, let's focus on listings. Again, listing appointments is not my favorite term, but let's focus on that for now for the sake of a shorter video. For a listing appointment to go well, you need to give your prospective client the opportunity to make a sound, critical adult decision. It is very unlikely that they can do that at their home with their children around, their dirty laundry around, their dirty dishes around, their memories of emotional experiences in that environment around, where their daughter chipped her tooth on the fireplace hearth, where they made homemade ice cream on the countertop for grandma's birthday, and so much of the emotion that's wrapped up there. You really owe it to your client, if your goal is to deliver world-class value, to put them in a situation to make a great choice. And that really should be done during business hours in a professional environment. Your office is as good a place as any. Now, it certainly can provide an advantage to you, not to manipulate, but to be at the top of your game if you do it in your office. And you do it in a way that they're greeted when they come into the door and their name is on a welcome plate. You sit them down, you offer them some snacks. As you are approaching the room, they get to see some social proof from some of your client testimonials, or maybe there's a book of those on the table. If you have a team or you can have another agent work with you, that other agent can greet them for you, brag on you, talk up your greatest attributes and your skills and your abilities and your track record, and then bring you in, and you could swap that role for each other. Those are just a couple of the reasons that having your clients or your prospective clients come into the office is an advantage to them and an advantage to you. There's about 800 other reasons that it's valuable both ways, not the least of which is that it positions you more as a professional. We go and see the doctor, the attorney, the CPA. Who comes to our house? People that mow our yard, clean our house, fix the electrical, plumbing, roofing, and that's fine. At some point you will go out to see the home, but as far as the sales and conversion and trust building and positioning phase, which you need to have in your business, having them come into the office is key. If you don't have an office, it could be a title company, a lender's office, some vendor partner of yours. It just needs to be neutral, professional ground, and it really ought to be during professional hours. There are exceptions, but for the sake of the video, that's why we have people come into the office, and that's why I recommend that you do that so you can differentiate yourself in your marketplace with excellence and stand out from the crowd. Build a business around the life you want to live. If not, you'll be trying to build a life around the business you have to run. That's what real estate can do to you if you're not in control. If you're interested in getting more control of your business and growing a bigger, better business around a bigger, better life, head over to alistingaweek.com, alistingaweek.com, and we would love to help you build a business around getting more listings. Or you could tap into our Buyer a Week program, or our operational modules, or script training, role play, group coaching, private coaching, any of those things. There's a bunch of free resources for you at alistingaweek.com. There's also obviously some options for some paid stuff there as well. So check out alistingaweek.com, and I will talk to you on the next one. Take care.